Well, anyway, said Peggy. She had gone now. So, what can we do? Besides, when I was asking her about all her dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head, for if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. But that night she could not get to sleep. She thought about Wanda and her faded blue dress and the little house she had lived in. And she thought of the glowing pictures of those 100 dresses made, all lined up in the classroom. At last, Maddie sat up in the bed and she pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought this was the hardest thinking she had ever done. After a long time, she had reached an important conclusion. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up, even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. She had no way of making things right with Wanda, but from now on, she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. After realizing that the Petronskis were gone, Peggy was saying that if she had not teased her about the 100 dresses, Wanda will not have any idea about the designs of 100 dresses and she might not even get a chance to win the contest. So she's saying what she did was right in a way. She is consoling herself. Peggy is consoling herself. Next, Wanda is trying too hard to get out of this feelings and she tried even harder but she could not do it and she finally sat up in the bed and this is the hardest thinking that she had ever got so far and she finally come to a conclusion that if she happened to see anyone being bullied she would stand against the person who is bullying and she is so firm that even if it cost Peggy's friendship she would stand against Peggy as well. Why she is taking this decision is because they both had made a mistake. Both Peggy and Wanda had made a mistake. Sorry, both Peggy and Maddie had made a mistake, and it hurt Wanda deeply, and that made her to leave the town. And Maddie felt really so bad because she could not make things right up with Wanda. So here on, she decided she will not make any person unhappy again.